Hello, thank you for supporting Willow by coming to see CYT's production of A Christmas Carol. This is a quick tutorial to show you how to order your tickets for that production, as well as to how to assign your tickets so that Willow receives credit for selling the tickets. Each CYT cast member is required to sell a certain number of tickets, so it's really important when you go see a CYT show to make sure that the student you're going there to support receives credit for doing so. So we're going to put the link I provided in your web browser. It will then pull up this page. Even though it says it's Willow Henry's box office, you still have to assign credit to her, which I will show you how to do. So when this web page comes up, you see that A Christmas Carol's at the top. There's also other productions for different CYT shows, but you're coming to see A Christmas Carol. So you're going to go to the Christmas Carol Purchase Tickets button. The first 4 performances are school day performances. I do not suggest going to a school day performance because they're shortened for school field trips, so it's not the full production. The next 4 options are the full production. So you pick a date and time that works best for you and you click select seats. It will then pull up a map of where you can sit. So you'll see that ones that have already been purchased are in blacked out. Blue ones are wheelchair seats, and anything that's a clear box are seats that are available to get. So if you need 4 seats and you want to, say, sit in row L right here, you'd click that, and you see that each one I click highlights in green. Once you've selected your seats, you click the Add to Cart button. And if you're just getting adult tickets, you don't need to do anything. If you have a child or a senior citizen that's going to be coming, you can put those numbers in accordingly. Now here's the important part. You need to click this button, Assign to Student. For the area, you're going to put Kenosha, which will then pull up all the cast members' names who are in the Kenosha production of A Christmas Carol. It's alphabetized by first name, so you're going to go all the way to the end, because W is at the end of the alphabet, and there you will see Willow Henry. I didn't know there was another Willow till just now, but we want Willow Henry. Once you see that it says Area Kenosha, Student Willow Henry, you click Assign, and then it gives you a confirmation that the ticket order has been assigned. Then you check out like you would on any other online platform. So you click Checkout, you put in your personal information, and then your payment information, and process the order. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to reach out to me through Facebook or text. And thank you once again for supporting Willow by coming to see A Christmas Carol. We can't wait to see you there. Bye.